You know what I'd like?
What?
Some toast.
Yeah, sure thing, yeah.
Alright.
Oh. Fuck you, phone!
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh man! Fucking all the way around!
Put it all in trash.
Ew, 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 ew!
Did you crazy?
Alright, let's toast.
I just think you're on fire.
Ow, Skeeter! Ow! Just put me out! Ow!
Sure, I guess. Yeah, that'll work.
All the way around!
Hate the feeling.
I am now. Stop eating it! It's like fucking babysitting a 6-year-old. Do it like you're on fire. Oh, fuck yes!
And cut.